you again. Welcome back to Woodlands Premium Motorcycles. Austin again here. Today we're going to be talking about the F900R. This is a new motorcycle for 2020, and I gotta say it is beautiful. With a bike that starts rated around the $10,000 price mark, you get quite a bit of neat features with this. One to include is going to be the 3 different riding modes, which is going to be rain, road, and dynamic, which is going to be your sport setting. You'll also have heated grips, the 6.5-inch TFT display, and Quick Shift Assist Pro. The F900R is in the same classification as the MT-09, the Street Triple R, and the Kawasaki Z900R. The F900R comes in 3 different color options: the Racing Red and Hockenheim Silver, which is the one that you see here, also San Marino Blue, and Black Storm Metallic. And if you want to make life a ride for under $11,000, come and get it on the F900R, and come see me, Austin, at Woodlands Premium Motorcycles, and get you on a test ride today.